Have you ever wondered if the universe will keep expanding forever? Hold on to that thought as we embark on a cosmic journey, exploring the fascinating concept of the universe's expansion. Picture this: the universe is not a static, unchanging entity. Instead, it's more like a grand cosmic ballet, with galaxies as the dancers, constantly moving and evolving in a vast cosmic stage. Scientists, like the choreographers of this celestial spectacle, have observed this phenomenon through meticulous experiments and observations. They've discovered that the universe is expanding, with galaxies moving away from each other, almost like raisins in a rising loaf of bread. It's not that the galaxies are traveling through space, but rather, space itself is expanding. This expansion isn't just happening in one direction, but in all directions at once, making the universe a continually growing entity. It's a mind-boggling concept to grasp, isn't it? But what does this expansion mean for the future of our universe? So, how does the universe expand, you might be wondering? Well, let's dive right into it. The story of our expanding universe begins with a colossal event, aptly named the Big Bang. Picture the universe as a tiny, dense, and hot point. Now imagine this point starting to expand rapidly. No, not just expanding, but exploding, bursting forth with all matter and energy. This is the Big Bang, the birth of our universe, happening approximately 13.8 billion years ago. Now you might be thinking, okay, but how does this relate to the universe expanding? Well, this initial explosion set the stage for the universe's expansion. Just like the aftermath of an explosion, the universe's components started moving away from each other, and they've been doing so ever since. But here's the kicker. The universe isn't just expanding, it's accelerating in its expansion. This is where a mysterious force known as dark energy comes into play. Dark energy, despite its ominous name, is not some intergalactic villain. It's a form of energy that permeates all of space and is believed to be the driving force behind the accelerating expansion of the universe. Now, let's break this down into simpler terms by drawing a comparison. Picture a balloon. As you blow into it, the balloon expands and the dots drawn on its surface move away from each other. This is quite similar to how galaxies in our universe move away from each other as the universe expands. It's as if we're living inside a balloon that's constantly being inflated. But remember, while this analogy helps us understand the concept, the universe's expansion is far more complex. It's not just space within galaxies that's expanding, but space itself. And this expansion isn't happening into a pre-existing space. The universe isn't expanding into anything, it's just expanding. So, we know the universe is expanding, but the key question remains, will it expand forever? Stay tuned to find out. Now, let's tackle the million-dollar question. Will the universe keep expanding indefinitely? For many years, scientists have proposed different theories about the future of our universe. One such theory is the Big Freeze scenario. This chilling concept suggests that, as the universe continues to expand, it will eventually become too spread out and cold to sustain life as we know it. Then, there's the Big Rip theory. This paints a picture of a universe that expands so rapidly, it tears apart everything within it, from galaxies and stars, right down to atoms themselves. The Big Crunch theory, on the other hand, proposes the opposite. It suggests that the universe's expansion might eventually slow down and reverse, causing everything to collapse back into a single point, a sort of cosmic rewind, if you will. But what is the current consensus among scientists? Well, they lean towards the idea that the universe's expansion is likely to continue indefinitely. The key player in this theory is dark energy. This mysterious force, which makes up about 70% of the universe, is thought to be driving the expansion at an accelerating rate. So, although these theories paint vastly different pictures of our universe's future, the most accepted view is that of an ever-expanding universe, fueled by the enigmatic dark energy. While the exact future of the universe is still uncertain, one thing is clear: our universe is an ever-changing and expanding entity. So, we've journeyed through the expanding universe together. We've discovered that our universe is indeed expanding, a phenomenon driven by the initial Big Bang and the elusive dark energy. This expansion isn't slowing down. In fact, the influence of dark energy suggests that our universe will likely continue to expand, spreading its cosmic contents into the infinite void. The universe's expansion is a fascinating topic, isn't it? It makes one realize just how grand and mysterious our universe truly is.